Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. I'm just checking. There is white there. He changed it to white. This is part 2. He did want the chewed off ear, and now it actually looks better. But he would also like to just use the head for some of the graphics. So we can, this is 136 millimeters. I'm going to make it 145. And I'm going to nudge the head over. Of course, the body doesn't come with it. But if we grab the body, it comes over there. But what we can do to get all the lines and everything is we can left click, right click. And all we have to do, and first of all, we could just fill in the ears and stuff to make it look better. Just grab your black and just fill in the eyes and the ears and the nose. So we need the outline of the head. Well, that's easy. Just take I'm going to just use a 2-point. I'm going to go ahead and use the 3-point. Well, it's so little, it's not going to matter. 2-point line and draw from there to there. And I'm going to have to zoom in. You should always zoom in so you make sure you get on the node to node. I was using the 3-point. And then just take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and nudge it over. And there you have just the head of the teddy bear. Now, when you start doing something like this, make a copy of your other item so you didn't lose anything. And then you could take that head and do anything you wanted to with it. I like your ear. I think now it looks like it's on. At first, I just thought it was a mistake. Now I can see like the teddy bear's ear has been chewed off. But that's how you would make the other part. And I wish I would have done what I'm going to just show you since it's a short video. Let's just put this back. So there we have the animal, and always make a control. Well, let's just make a control D of it. And see, once again, I just did another video for somebody else. Learn to set your duplicate distance on 0, 0. Then that way, when you do this, it'll be right on top and you can move it over. So now we can just take this and move it over and do what we did, and we can just really mess up this copy because we have a full copy over here, and just do the same thing on the lines. And really, I'm going to have to zoom in. If you ever draw a line like that, instead of redrawing it, you just get your shape tool and you can just pop it to the node. Now see there, I even have a curve. So I would start all over with I'm just going to go 2-point this time. It's a little easier. And I'm drawing in the same width as you had. So then when we fill in with the Smart Fill tool, we can nudge that over and nudge in just fill in our blank parts. So there you have a head and you have the body, to do whatever you want to with it. I got something right there. Whenever you grab, see, I've got some more trash out there. And one way to test for all that is put everything on the page and then hit F4 on your keyboard and see anything off the page now will be, and you could search like this for, missing pieces that you didn't get. I like it. I like the white pants. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.